10 proven tips to boost your confidence. Boosting self-confidence is a worthwhile endeavor that can positively impact various aspects of your life. Here are some proven steps to help boost your self-confidence. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals, and gradually work your way up. Each accomplishment will boost your confidence. Challenge negative self-talk. Replace self-criticism with positive affirmations. Be kind and encouraging to yourself. Face your fears. Confronting your fears and stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to significant confidence growth. Skill development. Learn and practice new skills. The more competent you become, the more confident you'll feel. Body language. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and use open body language. These non-verbal cues can boost your confidence and influence how others perceive you. Dress for success. Wear clothes that make you feel good about yourself. Feeling confident in your appearance can have a positive impact on your overall self-esteem. Visualize success. Use visualization techniques to see yourself succeeding. This can help reduce self-doubt and boost your confidence. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive and positive people who believe in you and your abilities. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care by getting enough sleep, eating healthily, and engaging in regular physical activity. When you take care of your physical and mental well-being, your confidence is likely to improve. Remember that building self-confidence is an ongoing process, and it's normal to have moments of self-doubt. However, with practice and patience, you can develop and maintain a strong sense of self-confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe.